Microprocessor programming. So for the programming, we can give this diagram. As you see here, the first one is the hardware, and then machine language, then assembly, then high-level language. High level means it can be C, Fortran, C++, blah, and then another more higher level language, for example Java, PHP, and blah blah. We can give this kind of examples. In microprocessor programming, the program language is so complicated that program language level is closer to the machine language level. Assembly is much complex than the high level language. Throughout this lesson, the assembly programming language that is closest to the machine language will be given. Okay? Why? Because in here we have another information. As the program closest to the machine language level, the architecture can be manipulated more flexibly. Okay? If we use assembly, we can do on the architecture more flexible operation. Yes, the execution of a microprogram. A microprogram consisted of two parts: fetch cycle and execute cycle. Any instruction in the assembly language consisted of two parts: opcode and operands. What are they? The first part of the instruction is the opcode, which is the short for operation code. Okay, operation code. What is mean of this code? It's mean, for example, doing something, okay, or going somewhere. Specify the operation to be performed by the microcontroller. Opcodes in assembly language are called as mnemonics. Opcodes are in binary format used in machine language, while the mnemonic, which are equivalent to opcodes, are English-like statements. What about operands? The second part of the instruction is called the operands, and it represents the data on which the operation is performed. There are two types of operands: source operand and destination operand. Source operands mean is the input of the operation. Destination is where the result is stored. Okay. So we can say, if we talk about a command, this command can be in three forms. How? It can be only 1 byte. 1 byte means it has only opcode. What is the opcode? Opcode is the operation to be performed by the microcontroller. Commands can be 2 byte. 2 byte means opcode and also 1 operand. It can be also 3 byte, opcode, 1 operand and second operand. For example, move 40 hex (sign 30 hex). What is mean? This code means that move 30 hex data to the 40 hex address. So, where is the destination for us? Where is the data transmitted? It 40 hex. Okay, so it should be destination. What is the data? Data is 30 hex. It is source operand. what is the operation moving data to the somewhere. So move is opcode for us. Okay, we can give this kind of example to understand easily. Okay, let's examine this command on the table. Maybe we can select this part. In here we have a table consisted of opcodes and operands. Okay, our mnemonic is move here. Where is here? Maybe the other page. Yes. Here we have move commands. 40 hex mean this is direct address. Okay, direct address. So it can be this part. Mnemonic is move, abbreviation of the English, and the second part is data. Where is it? Okay, direct address, the first part, and the second part is immediate information. Diasis sign, and near the diasis sign we have a number. So this command is as like that. So the opcodes of it should be 75. Okay, the opcode of this command should be 75. How many bytes of this command? 3 bytes. So it has 2 operands. One of them is the address value, and the second one is the information. Okay, immediate value. We have one opcode, it is 75. Operand 1 is the destination, operand 2 is the source operand.